Dear aspirants, we are speaking about coding and decoding, and we were speaking about the classifications of the coding. So another classification is coded statements. So let's understand this with example. So here we can see do re mi is a code and it is decoded as he is late. Fa me la is a code and decoded as she is early. So tai do is a code and he leaves soon is a decode. And here what is the code of late they have asked. So this is very simple question we can solve. This can be treated as code 1. This can be treated as code 2. This can be treated as code 3. Okay, and this decodes I will write it as decode 1. This decode 2, and this decodes along with this word is decode 3. So here we are going to identify what is asked. The asked is late, and in which decode it is there. It is there in the first decode itself. So that is why these decodes I am just going to compare with other sentences, and I am taking up the common words in code and in decode. Now I am comparing the decode 1 with decode 2, and the common is and just strike it off. And here we can see in the code also we are having may is the common, so that is why I am just striking off these two as well. And now I am just comparing this decode 1 with decode 3. So the common is he, correct? So he is common. I am just going to strike off he and he in both the sentences, and in the code do and do is common. So now what is left? Re is left, late is left. So that is why our answer is R E. So the late can be coded as R E. Let me go for the next question. If rain is water, water is road, road is cloud, cloud is sky, sky is sea, where do aeroplane fly? So usually we know the aeroplane flies in sky itself, but here the sky is called as what is the matter for us. Okay, so we are going to give that answer. So sky is called as sea here, so that is why our answer should be C. In the same way of the 10th question, we are going to solve this as well. Question number 12. 247 is spread red carpet. 256 is dust one carpet. 236 is one red carpet. So what is dust means? Here what I am going to do is, the dust is asked. The dust is in the second decode, and that is why I am comparing the second decode with other decodes. Okay, so I will compare the second decode and third decode first. So what is common? Carpet is common. Okay, here even the carpet is common in the first decode as well, so I am striking off all that. And what is common in all the codes? 2 is common in all the codes. I am striking off the 2 as well. Now the comparison is in decode 2 and decode 3. So in decode 2, 5 6 is remaining. In decode 3, 3 6 is remaining. Dust 1 is remaining, and 1 red is remaining. Which is common? 1 is common here in the decode, and 6 is common in the code. So what is the answer? So dust can be coded as 5. Okay, so dust can be coded as 5. So this is what our answer. We are done with almost all the type of the questions of coding and decoding, and here are some of the practice questions. You just try to solve and comment your answer. So put the question number, and in the next slide here you can see there is a mock test as well which I have created. I have used some old question paper questions in this mock test. I will give this particular link in the description box as well. So this admin link is for my purpose, and other portion you will get it in the description box. Okay, so try to solve that particular question. There is a time restriction as well, so solve it within time limit. If you didn't understood any of the questions, please mention in the comment box. I'm just going to include those all things in the next class. If there is no doubts, I'm stopping the coding and decoding here itself. So thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment your opinion, and hit the bell icon to get the latest